In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk for customer service. We'll walk through creating a new support ticket from scratch so you can capture customer details, route the request to the right person, and send a clear first response. Start in the agent workspace and look for the Add button. Click it, then choose Ticket. This opens a fresh ticket form where we'll fill out the essentials. Begin by setting the requester, which is the customer who needs help. In the requester field, search for the customer. If they're not already in your database, select Add User. A quick form appears where you'll type the customer's name and email address. Keep the details accurate to ensure notifications go to the right person. When you're done, click Add to create that user and attach them to the ticket as the requester. Next, assign the ticket so it doesn't get lost. Use the Assignee field to route it to the right agent or group. Assigning promptly improves response times and keeps your queue organized. After that, add tags. Tags are short keywords that help with filtering and reporting later on. Use consistent, meaningful tags your team has agreed on, like a product area or issue theme. Now choose the ticket type. You'll see options such as question, incident, problem, and task. A question is a general inquiry. An incident usually relates to a known outage or bug affecting multiple users. A problem identifies the underlying root cause you plan to investigate. A task is work that needs to be completed, often internal. Pick the one that best matches the customer's need. Set the priority based on urgency and impact. Use higher priorities when the issue is blocking critical work or affects many users, and lower ones for non-urgent or informational requests. Clear prioritization helps teams triage effectively. Add a concise, descriptive subject. Think of it as the headline for the ticket. It should summarize the issue in a way that's easy to scan. Then write your public reply. This message is visible to the customer, so be friendly, clear, and solution-oriented. A good structure includes a brief acknowledgement, what you understand so far, any steps you've taken, and the next action you'll take or need from them. Avoid sharing sensitive information and keep instructions simple. If you have a template your team uses, follow it to stay consistent. When everything looks good, click Submit as New. This creates the ticket, sends your reply to the requester, and places the conversation into your workflow so it can be tracked to resolution. That's all you need to create a well-structured ticket in Zendesk that's easy to manage and helpful for your customer from the very first touch.